City and region targeting. So city and region targeting is available for all Zeropark campaigns except for multi-geo campaigns. So how to set up geo-targeting? To set up city and region targeting, you simply need to specify it when creating a campaign. So first we're going to start by creating a new campaign. We're going to select the traffic type, which is going to be for push. And then the targeting option we'll do run on network. And then for the campaign name, we're going to choose the country for the United States. And we'll do test offer for the offer name. So you are going to need to select a country so you can determine the region or the city. And then from here, you're going to go to the region where you can choose whichever region you'd like to promote your offer to. And you can select multiple states, or you can do city, where you can select multiple cities across the nation. And should you want to change your options, you would just need to change your country and then go back to the geo-targeting. So we'll do Switzerland. And as you can see, now the regions are different. And then now, as you can see, the cities are different from what you can utilize in your campaign. Optimizing by geolocation. So the new tabs that have appeared in the dashboard allow you to optimize by city and region. In the regions tab, there are all regions you're targeting broken down by available visits, views bought, spend, conversions, and payout. So you can choose to pause or resume the regions or look at the cities in the region where you're buying traffic from by clicking the blue cities button in the actions column. You cannot pause the cities from selected regions. So for example, if you have selected the region for your campaign, you will view as follows. To optimize on the city level, you can pause or resume separate cities. You will be able to see the region available impressions, views bought, spend, conversions, and payout.